24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano especially is floating at $524,817,642 in an unpretentious manner. ADA for the most part acquired roughly 1.03% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Cardano's EMA truly shows a vertical pattern in a sort of significant manner. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the previous week acquiring 8.73%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these much of the time sort of clarified pressing issues. What in every practical sense is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Cardano. For the most part is ADA a kind of wise interest in a truly significant manner. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how ADA basically acquired around 1.03% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, which essentially is very critical, be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the ADA specialized examination. Generally, let us especially discuss the especially current economic situations incredibly. Market examination, showing how the 4th of April 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these as often as possible, basically clarified something. What explicitly is truly transient cost expectation for Cardano. Explicitly is ADA an essentially wise speculation, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Over the truly last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $182,407,897,617 in a for the most part huge manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $52,294,939,930, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, showing how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $52,294,939,930 or so they truly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, showing how ADA basically acquired roughly 1.03% inside the for the most part most recent 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. XRP the in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP basically is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents. Showing how various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM most certainly has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market really is going in a very descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment. As of now, a truly broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they especially thought. Cardano backing and opposition, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, showing how ADA in a real sense acquired roughly 1.03% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which fundamentally shows that Cardano's EMA for the most part shows a vertical pattern, which especially is very critical. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become in every way that really matters, all the more most certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in every practical sense thought. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors generally become move certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, higher in an unpretentious way. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA especially has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.03% in most certainly most recent 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought. The genuinely current worth of Cardano for the most part is floating at 39 cents with the exchanging volume of $524,817,642 USD in the equivalent time span. So various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM by and large has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The by and large market cap for ADA in every way that really matters is $13,577,701,820 USD, while the coin cost changes 8.73% throughout the week, showing how Cardano's EMA for the most part shows a vertical pattern, which certainly is very critical. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time span generally made sense of beneath, showing that following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA generally has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.03% in especially most recent 24 hours, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving really normal intermingling and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving fundamentally normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to explicitly dissect the future development of the Cardano. So as of now, a by and large broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. EADA, USD moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness marker basically is demonstrating an extremely present moment truly sell genuinely signal as the MACD line truly is moving beneath fundamentally signal line, which by and large means generally bears certainly are overwhelming on the lookout. Fundamentally further appearance how the by and large current worth of Cardano basically is floating at 39 cents with the exchanging volume of $524,817,642 USD in the equivalent time period. So various elective cryptographic forms of money, as ETHEREUM for the most part has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. While ADA's Williams %R marker basically is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signaled generally is entirely conceivable at this reach. So Cardano pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 8.73%, or so they basically thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and explicitly is attempting to fundamentally break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting how Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside an especially everyday time period all things considered made sense of beneath, showing that following all things considered are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA in a real sense has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.03% in truly most recent 24 hours, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. The prompt obstruction for ADA fundamentally is for the most part found at 40 cents, and a breakout from this level could sort of leads towards the sort of next opposition,